Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate croissants at home without yeast. Forget the long proofing times. We'll use a clever shortcut to achieve that irresistible flaky texture. You'll learn to prepare a simple dough, master the art of lamination, and bake golden brown pastries filled with rich chocolate. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this surprisingly easy recipe, perfect for any time you crave a homemade treat. Let's start with our simple, yeast-free dough. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. For a touch of sweetness, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The key to flakiness is 8 tablespoons of very cold, cubed unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, mix in about a half cup of cold milk until a shaggy dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Now for the magic, creating those beautiful, flaky layers. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle, about 8 inches by 16 inches. Next, perform a letter fold by folding 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the other third over that. This creates 3 layers. Wrap the dough and chill it for 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process 2 more times for a total of 3 folds. This develops the many delicate layers. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your delicious croissants. Roll the laminated dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Cut it into 8 triangles, each roughly 4 inches wide at the base. Place 1 or 2 chocolate batons at the wide end of each triangle, then roll them up tightly towards the point. Arrange them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes, until golden brown and puffed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.